Assalamu alaikum dear students and welcome again. Yesterday we were discussing about these comparing quantities, and yesterday I told you something. We have discussed something about this ratio, and what this ratio is I will recapitulate once again. The definition of ratio: the ratio is the value obtained when two quantities of the same kind are compared by dividing one quantity by other is called a ratio. So ratio is when we compare two quantities by division. For example, yesterday I told you if your height is for example 60 centimeters and your sister's height is 50 centimeters, then ratio of your height to your sister's height is 60 centimeters divided by 50 centimeters. And I told you that this value, the value obtained by dividing these two terms, this should be in its simplest form. Here centimeter and centimeter will get cancelled, and this 0 and 0 will get cancelled, and the value is 6 by 5. 6 by 5 is the ratio of the heights of you and your sister. And yesterday I told you that we can compare two ratios also. For example, if we have two ratios 2 by 3 and 7 by 15, we can compare these two ratios also, whether the first ratio is less than the second or the first ratio is greater than the second or equal to second. And for this comparison, for comparing two ratios, there are three methods. Number one method is, first method is by cross multiplication, by multiplying this by this and this by this. And when we multiply 2 by 15, 2 multiplied by 15 and 7 by 3, we get 2 into 15 is 30, 7 into 3 is 21. And clearly we can compare now these two values. That means 30 is greater than 21. 30 is greater than 21. That means this fraction 2 by 3 is which implies this fraction 2 by 3 is greater than 7 by 15. This is the one way how we can compare two fractions. The next method is how we can compare two ratios is by making the denominator common. For example, हमारे पास ये टू रेशोज जो है वो है 2 by 3 एंड 7 by 15. हमें इनका डिनोमिनेटर कॉमन बनाना है, और उसके लिए हमें क्या करना है, ये जो ये डिनोमिनेटर्स है उनका एलसीएम निकालना है. 3 और 15 का एलसीएम भी निकालने के लिए भी हम प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड का ही इस्तेमाल करते हैं. हम प्राइम नंबर से इनको डिवाइड करते हैं. 2 से कोई डिवाइड नहीं होगा, लिहाजा हम 3 से करेंगे. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, and now it is divisible by 5. 1 नीचे आएगा, 5 1s are 5. Therefore LCM जो है, LCM means lowest common multiple, वो है 3 into 5. 3 into 5 और वो क्या है 15. So यहाँ जो कॉमन डिनोमिनेटर होगा वो होगा 15. अब how this 3 will become 15? It will become 15 by multiplying 5. So when we multiply denominator by 5, we have to multiply numerator also by 5. ऊपर भी 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है और डिनोमिनेटर में भी मल्टीप्लाई करना है 5 से। और यहाँ जो ये फ्रैक्शन है ये 15 है, इसका 15 ही है, ये तो ऐसे ही रहेगा। तो ये जो दो फ्रैक्शंस हासिल होंगे 5 into 2 means 10, 10 divided by 15 and 7 divided by 15। अब ये डिनोमिनेटर कॉमन है, अब हमें सिर्फ न्यूमरेटर्स को कंपेयर करना है, न्यूमरेटर्स को कंपेयर करना है। एंड it is clear that this 10 is greater than 7, so this fraction is greater than this fraction. This is the second way how we can compare two ratios. And the third one is we can make the numerators also same by making numerators same. For example, यहाँ जो two fractions है हमारे पास 2/3 and 7/15, we can make the numerators also same. If we multiply this by 7, it will become 7 2s are 14, and then we have to multiply this by 2, 7 2s are 14. तो हमें यहाँ पर ये जो डिनोमिनेटर है, डिनोमिनेटर में भी 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, और जो इसका डिनोमिनेटर है यहाँ भी हमें 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है। तो रिजल्ट क्या आएगा, 7 2s are 14 डिवाइडेड बाई 7 3s are 21, और यहाँ क्या आएगा 7 2s are 14 डिवाइडेड बाई 15 2s are 30। और अब ये न्यूमरेटर्स जो है वो अब कॉमन है, मगर यहाँ पर रूल डिफरेंट है। जब डिनोमिनेटर्स कॉमन थे, अगर डिनोमिनेटर्स कॉमन होंगे तो द फ्रैक्शन विद ग्रेटर न्यूमरेटर इज ग्रेटर। यहाँ इसका अपोजिट है, व्हेन न्यूमरेटर इज सेम, व्हेन न्यूमरेटर्स आर सेम, द फ्रैक्शन whose denominator is greater is lesser and whose denominator is smaller is greater. That means हमें यहाँ 14, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर हमारे पास 14 रुपीज है, 21 पर्सन्स में हमें इनको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है, और यहाँ जो ये 14 रुपीज है ये 30 पर्सन्स में हमें डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने हैं। सो क्लियरली दीज 21 will get a bigger share than these 30 people. So in this case this 21, so in this case this 14 divided by 21 is also greater than 14 divided by 30. So ये three methods है how we can compare two fractions, how we can compare two non-equal fractions. और अगर हम एक और एग्जांपल लेंगे यहाँ पर, अगर हम एक और एग्जांपल लेंगे यहाँ पर, अगर if we take this fractions 1/3 and 2/6 for example, and when we compare these two fractions, number one method is हमें by cross multiplication we have to multiply this 1/6 2/3, और जब हम 1 से 6 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और 2 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, रिजल्ट क्या आएगा, यहाँ भी 6 और यहाँ भी 6, so 6 is equal to 6. In this case, the two fractions, the two ratios 1/3 and 2/6, these are equal ratios. So these two ratios 1/3 is equal to 2/6. These two ratios are equal. And here I will add one more thing. When two ratios are equal, ये आपको याद रखना है, when two ratios are equal, when two ratios are equal, then they are in proportion, they are in proportion. So ये एक और टर्म आ गई यहाँ पर, proportion. So what is this proportion? Proportion means where we compare two ratios, and if these two ratios are equal, then the ratios are said to be in proportion. Then the ratios are said to be in proportion. One more example, अगर हम इस proportion की one more example अगर हम लेंगे, ये आपको याद रखना है कि length of rope and weight of rope. Weight of rope. These two quantities are always in proportion. For example, if length of rope is 5 meters, for example, 5 meters, and if the weight of 5 meters is 10 kgs, if the weight of these 5 meters is 10 kgs, so the ratio here becomes 5 meters divided by 10 kgs. And if we increase the length of this rope or decrease the length of rope, the weight of rope will also increase or decrease. For example, अगर हम यहाँ पर now if length of rope is equal to 10 meters, अगर for example length को हम double करेंगे and automatically this weight of rope, it will also get doubled. This will now be 20 kgs. अब ये जो 10 meters का weight है, वजन है, ये अब 20 kgs होगा, क्योंकि रोप तो सेम है. 5 meters का वजन 10 kgs है और 10 meters का वजन डबल होगा, that means 20 kgs. So here the ratio, here in this case the ratio will become 10 meters divided by 20 kgs. And if we compare these two ratios, 5 by 10 and this 10 by 20, अगर हम यहाँ पर इसको एक्सप्रेस करेंगे in simplest form, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, and here we will get 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. So here the two ratios are equal, that means they are in proportion. Similarly, the quantity of rice and its price, these two quantities are always in proportion. For example, if हमारे पास राइस है 10 kgs और इसका जो कॉस्ट है फॉर एग्जांपल 10 रुपीज के जी, वो हो गया 10 10s are 100 rupees. Now if we decrease the quantity of rice or increase the quantity of rice, अगर हम 10 kgs के बजाय अगर हम राइस लेंगे 5 kgs only, and this cost, हमने यहाँ क्वांटिटी का हाफ लिया and this cost will also get halved, और इसका जो कॉस्ट बनेगा वो है ₹50. So these two fractions, here the fraction is 10 by 100 and here the fraction is 5 by 50. So these two terms, these two ratios are always in proportion. For example, अगर हम यहाँ पर इसको सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म करेंगे, अगर हम इसको ये हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर से डिवाइड करेंगे, 10 1s are 10, 10 10s are 100, यहाँ पर आएगा 1 by 10. और अगर हम यहाँ पर भी करेंगे इनको डिवीजन, 5 1s are 5, 5 10s are 50, यहाँ पर भी आएगा 1 by 10. So this 1 by 10 and 1 by 10, these are two equal ratios, that means these are in proportion. So when we compare two ratios, the first ratio is either less than the second or greater than the second or equal to the second, but when this first ratio is equal to the second ratio, then these two ratios are said to be in proportion. These are said to be in proportion, and I hope you have got something about this proportion also. And tomorrow, inshallah, in the next lecture, we will now go directly to the textbook exercise, and we will try to solve the questions of which are based on these ratios and proportions. Thank you. Have a nice day.